Hey, my squealing pigs, and watch this. Hershey's hungry. Hershey! Come on. What do you want? Want this? You want this? Somebody want yum yums? Hershey! What? What's wrong? What? What's wrong? What? You want some yum yums? Hershey! You want some yum yums? Want some yum yums? Okay, come here. I'm gonna play with you. Come on. Come on. There you go. My big boy's hungry. Come on, Snickers. Come get some yum yums. Like I said, me and Snickers are still having some trust issues, so yeah. I got hungry pigs. He prefers his pods.